Hi guys, this is editorial analysis for 12th and 13th January 2017. Let's go to the first one. This is from Hindustan Times. It says that a Greenpeace study has showed that air pollution killed 1.2 million people in India. It kills 1.2 million people in India annually. None of our 168 cities that were surveyed complied to global norms. 3% of our country's GDP is lost because of air pollution. Because of pollution, we suffer losses in terms of labor productivity, slowing agriculture, mounting health costs, and welfare costs of illness and morbidity. The World Bank, according to one of the World Bank reports, that says that 8.5% of our GDP in 2013 was lost to air pollution. So these are a few points that if question in mains asks what are the impact of pollution, so you can take points from here. The next two editorials are very small one. I just took like one point from each, and they both are related to each other in a way. I'll tell you. The first one is from Indian Express. It says that the Supreme Court has passed a series of interim orders to prohibit imposition and limit the application of Aadhaar. However, Aadhaar is still required for many services provided by the government and for state benefits, and sometimes it's even mandatory despite the Supreme Court verdict. For instance, to apply for IIT exam, it's compulsory to have Aadhaar card. And the second editorial, this is from Business Line. It says that Bitcoin, the use of Bitcoin is risky because it's used for narcotics, terrorism, money laundering, etc. It's also inherently unstable. Its value is unstable. Still, we will have to tolerate its existence for the sake of development of blockchain technology and our movement towards a cashless economy. So this Aadhaar and this Bitcoin editorials, these 2 points are related to each other in a way, I thought, because sometimes in ethics paper, GS paper 4, you sometimes get asked things like point out some of the measures by the state or the government that have good intentions, but the impact turns out to be not what is expected. It turns out to be something worse than what is imagined. So here are 2 examples that the thing about policy, our intention about policy is good, but the impact and the outcome is not as what we wanted. For example, if we want to move towards a cashless economy, we will have to tolerate Bitcoin, but again, those are the risks involved. So these are a couple of points that I thought were important. In general current affairs, it says that China has launched its first commercial space mission, Kuaizhou, Kuaizhou 1A rocket. Next, Supreme Court has said to the government that audit the public money that is given to 32 lakh NGOs in the country. They are not being audited, so we don't know where that public money is going, how it is being spent. Next, Vivekanand's birthday is celebrated as the National Youth Day. It's on 12th January. Next, second Scorpene class submarine Khanderi was launched in Mumbai. Next, Modi inaugurates India's first international stock exchange at Gift City called INX. So our Prime Minister has launched our first international stock exchange called INX in Gift City. GIFT's full form is Gujarat International Financial Tech. INX will be a wholly owned subsidiary of BSE. Next, world's first gender literature festival will be held in Patna. Next, Norway becomes the first country to ban FM radio broadcasting. So that's it for today, 12th and 13th January 2017. Thank you.